Good afternoon. Headed out for a walk in my back forest here, Portage la Prairie, Manitoba. Last night there was some beautiful rime ice that formed all over the trees and the grasses. Rime ice is formed when there's foggy conditions. Some people might call this hoarfrost. However, that's when the ice forms on everything when there's clear conditions. And you can see here, just based off of the grasses here. Absolutely beautiful. Currently it's -7. That's -7 degrees Celsius with a wind chill of -10. Absolutely beautiful day to go for a walk.